Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for always coming to watch me. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I thread my brother tabletop sewing machine. I'm also going to be showing you how I thread my manual and electric machine as well. Both are from brother. Now this video was requested by Racheal's World, and she's also a YouTuber, and I would like you guys to just go check out her out. She cooks amazing meals and it looks so yummy. At least you draw some inspiration from her. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link to her channel in my description box. Please do well to go check her out, guys, please. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to thread the machine in this video. This is my thread right here, and this is my bobbin that already has thread on it. I'm going to show you how to pass this thread on this tabletop machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put my thread on this holder here, right here. Once I've done that, I'm just going to pass the thread through this point. So just take my thread and I put it in here, then roll it around this way. Take the thread from this point now through this where we have the tension. This is the tension, so we're going to put that thread in here and hook it here underneath like this. Once I've hooked it, I'm going to take it back upwards to hang it, to pass it around this. So if yours is inside the machine like this, you want to roll this up to bring it up out. Take that thread and hook it up here. Hooking it up here, and then I'm going to pass it to my needle. And that's it. So I'm just going to go over it again. So you place your thread on this thread holder, pass your thread through this hook right here, pass it through, bring it down this way, then hook it under this metal thing here and bring it back up to this hook, to this hook right here, and then take it down to the needle. Once that is done, so I'm going to be passing the bobbin into the bobbin case, and you can find your bobbin case inside the machine. So we're going to just open this up, and we're going to open right here. So right here is where we have our bobbin case. You can see that right there. You're just going to lift to get it out. Just lift it up and it comes off. So yeah, this is my bobbin case, and this is my bobbin. So I'm just going to insert this in here, and once I've put that in there, there's this space here. I'm going to take the thread and pass it in here like this. Once I've passed it in there, I'm going to hook it up underneath this hook like thing here. I'm just going to hook that in like this. So once this is hooked in, I'm going to put it back into the sewing machine. Once I've put that in, I'm going to use the thread on the outside. I'm going to use the thread to hook, to bring out this inner thread. Right now, for me to do that, I have to hold on to this outer thread. I hold on to it, and then I'm going to roll this, I'm going to roll it in to pick up the thread. So I roll it in, I have to roll it in, let it grab onto the thread, and I pull it out like that. So once I've pulled it out, my thread is, the inner thread comes out now. And once this is done, your machine is all threaded. So I'm just closing this back up. So if you have this tension right on this side, then you're just going to pass your thread this way first, down, and then back up where you have this hook. So make sure to pass your thread through whichever side your tension is on, you pass your thread through that side of the machine. So I'm going to show you how I thread my electric and manual machine, just in case this is what you have. So now we have the thread holders right here. So I'm just going to put my thread on the stand, pick up the thread, and I pass it through this hook right here. Roll it around, and I take it down to this hook here. I hook it up there. Once that's hooked, I'm going to be taking it through my tension. This is the tension of this machine, so I'm just going to be rolling it around this tension here. So I'll take it in like this and roll it around, then take it into this hook here. Just like the other machine, I have to roll it to bring it up. Once I've rolled that up, I'm just going to take my thread and pass through the hole there. Once I've hooked up the thread, I'm just going to pass it through here again, just to hold it in place, and then I take it down to the needle. The upper thread has been passed, so the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the bobbin thread. So I can find the bobbin thread in here. I'm just going to put my hand in and bring that out. So right here is the bobbin case, and this is the bobbin that already has thread on it. I'm just going to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case like so. The same way, hook it up into this space here, and then pass it underneath the hook like that. So let's see if it focuses. And you see that it's inside the hook like this. So I'm just going to put this back into the machine. Once I've put that back in, I'm just going to hold on the thread and hold on the thread and then turn it in while I hold on the thread firmly. I'll hold on this outer thread firmly and I turn it into the sewing machine to hook up the inner thread. So just get that out. Let me do a closer view. Yeah, so I'm holding on the thread firmly like this. I'm holding on the thread firmly. I'm just going to gently release it into the sewing machine. Once I've felt like it has hooked, then I just go ahead and pull this thread up, top thread out. And when I pull on the top thread, you can see right here that the thread is already hooked on the top thread. So I just go ahead and bring it out. And that is it for threading this machine. To fill the bobbin with thread, we need to just place the bobbin on this spindle. Take the thread and hook it onto this hook right here. And just take the thread and wrap it around the bobbin. Once you've wrapped that around, you just move this to the stopper and then reel the bobbin. Once it's full enough, you just go ahead and cut that thread out. Cut it out and then move this back this way. Move it back this way and then take out your bobbin. This brings us to the end of the video. Thanks a lot for staying to the very end. If you haven't subscribed at this point, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me comments, and please do well to share it as well. Thank you very much. Bye.